Welcome back to TECHMIMIC, where you can simply view, imitate, replicate and get on with your day. If there is a specific issue for which you would like to see a video, please leave a comment. In Microsoft Word, you can access the header and/or footer information in a couple of different ways. The first method is to click the Insert tab in the ribbon and then select Header, Edit Header or Footer, Edit Footer. This will open the dedicated header and footer editor in the ribbon. The second method is to find the top white space of your document, right-click and Edit Header. This will bring up the same controls again. The last method is to simply double-click the top white space. All of the above works exactly the same when doing it for the footer, so the bottom white space of the page. Once in the header and footer editor, simply swap between header and footer with the buttons Go to Header and Go to Footer. Once done, click Close Header and Footer. Now, to add a watermark to the entire document, click the Design tab, Watermark, and select the one you like. The defaults are Confidential, Do Not Copy, Draft and Sample. Now the watermark will be shown on all pages. If you need to customize your watermark, simply select Custom Watermark and configure it. In this case, this is a very important document. The customization options here are somewhat limited, so to further tweak it, open the header and footer section. Now you can select the watermark and further configure it to your liking. For example, fonts, colors, the rotation, drop shadows and much more. Close the header and footer section when you are done. That's it. Hope it helped, and if it did, please like the video and keep it up. Until next time, bye!